Hello, I'm Zaji Tokazubgal. In the latest episode of Futano Nostembu, which aired on Thursday, the 1st of May 2025, Musa Mseleku made a controversial statement about his third wife, Tobile Makhumalo Mseleku. He said Makhumalo had failed to do what she came there to do, referring to her inability to bear children. He further suggested that her public profile and opportunities were largely due to her being Miss Mseleku. He also said that she's only famous and has opportunities because she is his wife, not because of her own efforts. A video surfaced where Makhumalo was explaining why she can't hold a pregnancy for 9 months. She is able to fall pregnant. It's just that the baby does not stay in the fallopian tube, which makes her life at risk. And at the end of the video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. Bye-bye.
It's not that angibathola abantwana, but given my ectopic pregnancies out too. So ectopic pregnancy is when uthi mengabe ukhulelwa umntwana ahlale ku-tube bese kuze kube namhlanje odokotela bakokwazi ukuthi banga-remove lokho kusuke ku-tube bakuyise esibelethweni. So uma kukhulela kwi-tube usuke kuzoba nento ebizwa ngokuthi i-tube lizoqhuma ngithi, so ngeke uphile mangase kuqhume because i-tube alinwebeka alidalelwanga ukunwebeka kukhulele umuntu kulona. So ngiyabathola abantwana, so I'm not barren.
Okay.
Nabantu bathi inyumba angiyona inyumba, ngiyakwazi ukukhulelwa, but the problem is bengikhulela umntwana ahlale kwi-tube bese kufanele li-remove i-tube because uma selicleanwa akwazi ukuklinwa kuphela lishiwe kodwa liyasikwa bese kuyaboshwa. So lelo tube loqala ngithi umuntu nama-fallopian tubes awu-2. So first child ungena kwi-tube liyasikwa, second child ungena kwelinye i-tube liyasikwa. So angisakwazi-ke manje in a natural way or ngendlela ejwayelekile yokwenziwa kwabantwana angisakwazi ukuthi ngingayikhulelelelwa nje because into eyi-transport yamaqanda from amaqanda make suka kufanele eze esibelethweni ahlangane phakathi nendawo tsimamzane lembewu, yes, ahlangane nembewu bese kwakhe kumntwana kuhlala esibelethweni. Mina bekwenzeka kwi-tube, so ama-tubes wami wo-2 asikiwe, so angisakwazi ukuthola abantwana ngaleso sizathu. So ngi-understand-eke kwi-process yokuhlinzwa ngikhishwa i-tube ngiphinde ngihlinzwe ngikhishwa i-tube ukuthi ngisakwazi ukuthi ngizenzele umntwana.
Mzanzi, while I was busy editing this video, I came across this video of Makhumalo's house. It is alleged that they moved to go eThekwini, being in Durban. You know, I don't know which part of Durban, which suburbs. So I guess we all know that the three wives, Umayeni, Makhumalo, and Omangwabe, they have moved from Mzumbe to their individual houses. So this could be Ntoya Tobile Mseleku, but I do not know how true the statement is. Bye-bye.